Silent Yeti here. We're going to be going over the 2006 Silverado. The OBDII port does not work. I tried to plug in the code reader, had no power to it, so I'm going to show you how to go through the troubleshooting steps to try to correct this issue. This is what you need. Get this little scan tool from Walmart for about 20 bucks. Comes in pretty handy. Makes life easier if you get a test light. Checking your fuses it's easier than the multimeter. Gives you a quicker indication, I guess. And a Gerber for pulling the fuse out if you don't have a fuse pull. Fuse box. Pull out the fuse box. It's 15 amp fuse. As you can see, the port runs off the cigarette lighter, and as you can see here, there's no fuse in the cigarette lighter. So I got one of these extra you can have inside the cab. There's an extra glove box there that has the fuses. Let's hook that up. Testing the fuse, the cigarette lighter should have power at both sides. As you can see here, the light. Alright. So now, plug the key in, turn it to run. And there you go. Just a quick tip, if the fuse is still good, once you tested it and everything, you switch that with a new fuse and it's still good, you can actually run a power wire to the back of pin 16, this one right here in the corner. You run it to the back and then hook it up to your positive battery terminal and then hook up your scan tool. You can go ahead and read the codes and erase the codes if you need to, if you have a wiring issue. Alright guys, just hope you had it all. Like and comment on the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.